Hello, good morning. Now I show you how I make a black tea coffee with milk. Okay. First, you need to prepare hot boiling water. Add half cup, or it depends for you. Maybe for me it's a full cup. And then you can add sugar. You can add sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. Okay. And then after that, you need to stir with milk. And if you want also to add sugar, you add for me no need. Then put a tea bag of black tea. That's it.